Shanghai Sheshan Precision Bearing Company, Limited, SWC, was established in 1986 and has gone through 39 years of development. The company has advanced imported bearing manufacturing equipment and automatic production lines to produce miniature bearings with various high-precision special structures with diameters ranging from 0.8 mm to 50 mm. Main products: deep groove ball bearings, angular contact ball bearings, spherical plane bearings, all kinds of inch bearings, stainless steel bearings, flange bearings, and other special structure bearings. It involves more than 5,000 specifications. SWC products mainly serve all kinds of motors, navigation instruments, optical instruments, medical equipment, dental handpieces, unmanned aerial vehicles, precision instruments, robots, military and other fields.